Hi, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video, I will be talking about my trip to Korea for origami. The heart of origami activity in Korea lies in this place called the Jong Nara Paper Museum. You can find directions via this demonstration over here. You can take the train service to this station, and using this address, if you are taking a car, it says that I have visited in November 2023. And yes, this is a long overdue video. I'm super tied down with work as well as courses. I have no mental headspace, so this is how the exit looks like. Go to exit 3 of Dongguk University Station. And once you head up, it's just a stone's throw away to the Jong Nara Paper Art Museum. So this is how the building looks like. And at the time of recording, it's around the fourth quarter of the year, and I felt that this is a perfect time to revisit and recollect the experiences I had in Korea for Origami Day, November 11th. This video also goes to show what you can expect if you travel down to Korea to the Jongin-Nara Paper Art Museum to visit this event. And for this video, I have decided to keep the sights and sounds as unedited as possible, so you can see and hear and have a multimodal experience.
Look at this. Wow, look at that.
At this time of the year, Korea is having winter, or rather late autumn. It's pretty cold, a little bit of getting used to for people like me who come from sunny Singapore.
와가지고 이 적어달라고 그럴 때 진짜 막막했어요. 그래서 제가 며칠 고생해서 적어보고.
And that was Mr. SeolHwa, nicknamed Red Paper. He's one of the lead instructors of this establishment, and currently he is teaching a lesson in their large seminar room. So if you wish to participate in this competition and you don't know how, you can contact him. Link is in the description below. You can find him via Facebook. He warmly welcomes participants for this competition. He was also the one who helped me a lot in this process last year.
근데 되게 잘 접어요, 그죠? 네. 안 그러세요? 한테 얘기를 계세요.
I know Chris Conrad is very good. My car is there.
저도 좀 생각을 해볼게요. 한 가지랑 얘기해보고. 네. 한별이가 자기가
How this fried chicken?
싶은 것들을 생각도 많이 해보고 이것저것 많이 봐서
So do you think
유명한 것도
the
아니면
first prize got the first prize?
근데 그거서 내가 그거 좀 보냈더니 그거는 힘들었었구나. 아니 저희는 일찍 또 온다 그랬고 그래가지고 일찍 왔죠. 차분하게 왔죠.
Because I like football as well as origami and I'm going to Korea, I also submitted a footballer tutorial at the top right corner. I felt it was meaningful to represent South Korea's megastar Son Heung-min, captain of the South Korean football team. And similarly, my car has a tutorial and it also has an origami design story to capture the design process. Do check them out. And let's head back to the museum. For the footballer, I got a shortlisted award, which I believe you still have to qualify for it. So amongst all participants, you need to earn your place in the shortlisted award, or if you're better than that, you can hit the commended award. If you're exemplary, you can earn a podium finish for this one, a gold, silver, or a bronze award. It's all stated in the application poster when they release it every year.
The savannah. Oh, it's like party over here. It's like partying over here.
I
Yeah.
hear like more activity than Japan.
No, today is origami day. That's why I think there's some like celebration, some event.
This is the
Dung beetle.
this is very nice.
This is what dinosaur world. Huh?
반갑습니다. 하나, 둘. 하나, 둘, 하나, 둘. 더 올려도 될 것 같아. 더 좀만 더 올려봐요. 하나, 둘. 안녕하세요. 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 안녕하세요.
And that is how I look like in the seats amongst the audience. This is my pass.
수상하였으므로 이상을 수여합니다. 그러니 과천과학관장상 한영주 학자가 세상 상품을 수여합니다. 축하드립니다.
This bro here talked to me, so I took special note of him. And if you can see, there is a lady behind. I believe she is an employee of the museum, and she will be there to represent all the foreign counterparts who were not there to receive the award.
네, 다음 촬영하세요.
하나, 둘, 셋. 한번 더 찍을게요. 하나, 둘, 셋. 감사합니다.
I was so lost, I did not understand a single word of Korean.
네, 이 내용 같습니다. 한국 신나라입니다.
최저임금으로 20일이 돼야
So this
Okay.
friend over here, SeolHwa,
Yeah.
also has a YouTube channel. Link is in the description. Go check him out. Give him a sub as well. So all in all, it was an amazing experience. The Koreans were very touched, very surprised, and also very welcoming to see that I, as a foreigner, I traveled all the way down to experience their origami life and culture. Cheers to the lead instructor, Mr. SeolHwa, red paper. And my bro over here, SeolHwa, I also got a unicorn as a gift. Thank you very much. It is now in my origami cabinet at home. I carried this unicorn with me all the way from Seoul to Jeju, back to Seoul and back to Singapore. I was also gifted many gifts as a visitor over there, one of them being this book. It does show addresses to many origami office space all throughout Korea as well as in Jeju. I came home, I Google translated the whole book, and it's about all things origami news and interviews. Because the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno has won the Commended Award, I am entitled some money. I'm given this envelope. It is actually an empty envelope just as a formality. They will just wire you the money. So they will contact you via email. You just have to provide your necessary information. And this is a welcome brooch that I thought was really cute. I put it on for the award ceremony, as well as some local snacks, origami products and origami paper and Korean paper. So I got this book in Jeju. If you do have the opportunity to do so, please go give them a visit, book your tickets now. So that is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this content. Do like and subscribe, share and comment down below on what you'd like to see next, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!